Good morning to one and all present here. I am J. Sriram of Class 6B Scout of KVDGQA. Exercise is a celebration of our body, what our body can do, and not a punishment for what we ate. Do you know how our muscles enjoy while doing exercise? The gush of blood goes to our muscles and organs and makes to function it better. We are too young to burn our calories. So let us first make the exercise as our habit. Then it will become a daily part of life. Corona, rain or shine, exercise makes me fine. I am inspired by PM Modi's interview with Virat Kohli. I have exercised today. What about you? If not, from today, you also start doing exercise and make our India fit. Jai Hind!
Good morning everyone. I am Sanishal of Class 6A Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA Chennai. I am here to speak few words about exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. The very known two terms to us are the words health and fitness. We heard the phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. Health and fitness are more valued than wealth. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own but also on our physical environment and the quality of food intake. To maintain good health, we must eat a healthy and complete diet. Food is a medicine and medicine is a food. So we should avoid junk food such as noodles, packet chips and carbonated drinks. To maintain fitness, we should play games, sports and do exercise and yoga. Yoga has a lot of health benefits such as flexibility, increased blood flow and boost immunity. So we should follow these to live a healthy life. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Nityanishwar of Class 60A, Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA. Now I am going to talk about exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. Exercise not only makes us physically fitter, but it also improves our mental health. Meditation and yoga are very important for our healthy life. These help to improve our thinking, learning and judgment skills. We should also follow some good habits for our health goals. We should eat vegetables, fruits and nuts. We should avoid junk food and take homemade food. Thank you.
My name is M. Shaman Kumar of Class 6A, roll number 40. I am from Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA. I am going to say about the exercise is a celebration of what our body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. Health is wealth. Keeping our body and mind healthy should be our first aim. We must get up early in the morning and do some warming exercise. Then we can practice Surya Namaskar, which will help us to build good health. Our body should be maintained in a good manner so that we can avoid disease. We must eat nutritious food like green vegetables, milk, curd, etc. We should not eat junk foods like pizza, burger, and etc. As it affects our digest food. We must take a balanced diet every day so that our immunity system works well. If we practice exercise, we can fight against any virus. We can do many exercise in the morning like standing in one leg, etc. And thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sriram of Class 60A. I am studying in Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA. I would like to speak a few words on health and fitness. Health and fitness are very important for a happy and successful life. Exercising regularly makes our body fit and mind happy. It is necessary for a healthy and peaceful life. Balanced diet is also necessary for good health. It provides all the nutrition which our body requires. Many packaged and processed food that we consume today have preservatives in them, so we must stay away from them and stick to a natural and homemade food as much as possible. Thank you, sir.
Good morning all. I am Nikhileshwar of class 6A, roll number 30, Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA. I am going to say something about what exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. Health is wealth. Good health and fitness depends on physical environment and the quality of food intake. Our day-to-day habits also determine our fitness level. Meditation and yoga are part of our life. Meditation improve our concentration and self confidence. We should follow some healthy food habits. We should take balanced diet. We should drink more water. Avoid junk food like pizza. Take vegetables, fruits and nuts. We should sleep almost 8 hours every night. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone. I am Vishesh Sharma, a scout of class 6A KVDGK. Today I am going to tell a speech on exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment of what you ate. My objective today is to talk to you to avoid about the importance of exercises. It is well known that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If a man is not physically fit and healthy, his mind cannot be sharp and active. The human body is very much like a machine. It needs to be maintained and looked after properly. Physical exercise is of immense help in maintaining good health and fitness. Physical exercise is widely recognized as the best way to keep the body healthy and active. With physical exercises, we should also maintain our diet. We should eat more green and leafy vegetables and avoid eating junk foods. In junk food, there is a lot of fats which make a man or woman obese. And to avoid this obesity, we have to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Let us be fit and healthy. Thank you. A very good morning to all. I am Vishesh Sharma of class 6A, a scout of Kendriya Vidyalaya DGQA. Today I am going to do some yoga. Number 1, Sarvangasana. This is Sarvangasana. Now we will do Halasana. This is Halasana. Now we will do Bhujangasana. This is Bhujangasana. Thank you.